are blessed because your blood runs in our veins. A God-fearing woman, a generous and understanding Lola, a woman of our strength, we have witnessed your struggles, sacrifices, and success. Lola, in behalf of your grandsons and granddaughters, we thank you for always bringing us to the state of perfect happiness, where unity, understanding, love, care, and happiness, among others, were shared with each member of the family. May God give you a decade and more birthdays to celebrate so you may continue to witness the gifts and foundation of success you brought us. More power and God bless. Love, grandsons and granddaughters.
Because, no, nang ginhatag siya sa amin, kami gali ang blessed. No? Si Nanay blessed kayong hatagan sa Ginoo 91, may dad. Kami blessed man. Amen.
Ko gid personally kung ano siya ang klase ng tao. Personally, in heart, she really loves the Lord. And she is faithful and truly, I agree with her grandchildren and family that she is kind and generous because I have witnessed it. And through it, I just reminded by the Lord about His word in Psalms 91. And I just believe nga naglabot si Nanay Cedes sa sini nga edad, not only for her, but for her family, to give honor back to all the sacrifices and the love and the goodness, all the good seeds that she had sown or planted sa mga tagipusoon sa iyang pamilya. And we have just witnessed tonight that God really honors His word, because I know Nanay Cedes really loves the Lord, honors God. At the same time, she is a prayerful woman. Not only she prays for her family, for her grandchildren, but to all those people that she even doesn't know, because praying to intercede is praying for others, praying for the burdens of other people.
on your special day today, I just want to say thank you for all the words of wisdom that nourished me into a person I am today. The memories, the values, and the advices you have bestowed upon me during my youth will be forever cherished in my heart. You will be treasured always wherever I go because a part of me was being shaped, molded by you. Every success and achievements in my life, I owe it to you. You are the best Lola in the world. I love you, Lola, and I miss you so much. I wish that God will give you more milestones to enjoy with us. See you soon, Lola. Happy birthday. From the land of California, with love, Rhoda.
Thank you, Lola Cedes. Salamat.
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 Salamat sa inyo sana.
Ganyan.
Pagkatot.
Nagkasya sa amin. Take place na ito mo.
Oh.